Hi everyone, talking about the Generation 3 Quick Disconnect. I'm going to show you what the assembly process looks like, and I'll also show you some of the features of this new product. While it's not new in the sense that we didn't have a quick disconnect before, we have for several years now. This is an entirely new design, something that's been worked on for approximately 6 months or more, really, in terms of thinking of how the prototype would work, coming up with the initial pieces to test, and then ultimately going to production. So what we have here is three parts that make up the actual core of this product. And it's different in several ways compared to our previous models in that we have only one piece of the two inserts getting bonded into place. And you'll see more in the future here about why that is and how these function. What this does is it gets pressed into, and I'll have a section of the video that shows that, this gets adhesive applied on the inside of this titanium tube. This is a powder coated tube. And then this portion here gets pressed in with a hydraulic press into there. So it's not only tight because we've adjusted tolerances to make it a tighter fit, to make it more difficult to get in. It does require the press. Not only that, it has this System 3 resin epoxy that we use now, which is extremely strong and it bonds so well to titanium and to the components that we use with it. So what we do here is, like I said, we actually put the adhesive in there first, sit that in place, then press it in. And I'll show you that in the second part of this video. And then the other section here is the front module. This is a flat face. And down the line, it is likely we will add some angled faces potentially, and there are some other applications where we could be using this system. So inside of the tube, you're going to have a male, female, well, this would be the female, and a male version of these components so that they can interlock. And this piece, of course, will remain loose. This piece is bonded inside. They connect, and then you have a positive fit, tight lock. The tube, of course, covers this exposed area right here. Inside, as you can see, there's a hole, a through hole, and we're using a socket cap screw to go through. It'll mount directly into your riser. Of course, that will go through here. It will also go through here and then out the back into the riser. So I'll stop this and we'll switch over and show how the hydraulic press portion works. All right, so now we're back to assembly, and this piece here, titanium piece, you probably can see in the video, there's a little bit of gloss on the inside. That's the adhesive that's been applied. We fit this section in, the little keys can fit in to the edges of the tube, like so, and then we place it into a press and just carefully, slowly press down with enough force to get this insert to seat nicely inside of the tube, and then you can actually go the rest of the way, all the way down, and finish the insertion of that piece with the ram. So it provides a great fit. It gives you the added security of the adhesive on the inside. So this is a really nice product. It's made several advances in terms of durability, in terms of functionality. Of course, this is now indexable. You will be able to rotate wherever you would like the QD to come to rest and then tighten the through bolt. The added bonus really being the front module being removable. And we're going to explore what possibilities we have with how that will be implemented in other products down the line. So take a look. It'll be on the website very soon. Generation 3 Titanium Quick Disconnect.